It would be great to make money while you sleep, wouldn't it? Well, you can with this free bot. The bot automatically trades cryptocurrencies using complex algorithms. So all you have to do is set it up and let it run. If you want to make money without having to do anything, this is it. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make money using free bot. So make sure to click the subscribe button because it gives me motivation to keep making videos like this. Let's start. How does this free bot actually work? First, you will need to sign up for a free account with a cryptocurrency exchange that works with the bot. Binance, BitMEX, and Bitfinex are all popular exchanges that work with the bot. After creating an account, you will need to link it to the bot. The bot uses complex algorithms to look at the market and find trades that will make money. It then takes care of these trades for you automatically. The bot works around the clock, so you can make money even while you sleep or do something else. Benefits. Using this free bot can help you in a lot of ways. First of all, you don't have to pay anything to use it. You don't have to pay anything to get started. You don't have to put any money in to make money. Second, it's very easy to use the bot. You don't need to know anything about technology or how to use it. Third, the bot works really well. It works well most of the time and can help you make a lot of money quickly. In the end, if you want to make money without spending money, this free bot is the best way to do it. It's easy to use, works well, costs nothing. Sign up for a free account, link it to the bot, and let the bot do the rest. You can sit back and relax while the bot earns money for you. So why don't you just do it? Join the bot now and start making money right away. We're glad you watched.